Namaste dear children, welcome to class 3 English subject. In the previous class I have discussed the topic nouns. Today I will continue the same of your good grammar page number 21. Singular and plural nouns. Words that mean one of something are singular nouns. Words that mean more than one of something are plural nouns. We add s or es to singular nouns to change them into plural nouns. For example, bird, singular noun, if it will become plural by adding s, birds. Like that, bus, bus, singular noun. If you want to make it plural, you need to add es, buses, buses. See, bird became birds by adding s to the root word or singular noun bird. But in the second example, bus, we can't add s here. We need to add es, buses, then bus will become buses. That is plural noun of bus is buses. So, by adding s or es to a singular nouns, they will change into plural nouns. More examples are in the fill in the blanks or in the next main question. Yes, main question, fill in the blanks. I have filled here already, but I will explain now. One, more than one. Dish, singular noun, more than one, dishes, dishes, dishes. Pencil, one, more than one, pencils. We need to add s to pencil, then it will become pencils, plural noun. Apple, apples. Actually, they have given apples word here, more than, that is a plural noun they provided here. We need to fill singular noun, that is apple. In the fourth example, fill in the blanks, robot. They have provided robot. We add s to robot, it will become robots, robots. Here plural noun is given here, foxes. Foxes, singular noun is fox, fox, fox. Fill in the blanks here. Alternative fill in the blanks they have given, see. And the next, sixth, fill in the blanks, doll. They have given singular noun, we need to fill plural noun, dolls. Just add s to doll. And here they have given plural nouns, plural noun, boxes. Singular noun is box, box. Eighth, fill in the blanks, giant. The plural noun is giants, giants. Computers, they have given computers, plural noun, singular noun is computer, computer. 10th one, last one, coconut, singular noun or one, more than one, coconuts, COCONUTS. This is the fill in the blanks. Next main question, T main question. Fill in the blanks with the singular or plural of the given nouns. One cow, but two cows. So we need to fill like this. One book, second one, but three books, BOOKS, books. Third one table, but a few tables, TABLES. One chair, but 9 chairs, CHAIRS. Fifth one ring, but a few rings. Actually, I need to write S here, RINGS, rings. This must be rings. I have filled the wrong word here. Actually, it is rings. It is not correct. Okay, na? Write it rings, RINGS. Sixth, fill in the blanks. One dash, but four trees. Trees, singular is tree. So you need to write tree here. One cat, but many cats. One dash, but many cats. Cats, singular noun is cat. Fill here cat, CAT, cat. One dash, but 6 flowers. Flowers, singular is flower. One flower, FLOWER, flower. Eighth one. Ninth one dash, but 8 horses. Horses, singular noun is horse, HORSE. 10th one dash, but several tigers. One tiger, but several tigers. Tigers, singular noun is tiger. So you need to write a singular noun here, you need to write a plural noun here. Here completes the T main question. Next main question, U main question. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. There are 2 hens on the farm. See, hens and hen, both options are here. We need to choose the correct one, correct word. Second, fill in the blanks. 6 dash of the tree had flowers. 6 dash of the tree had flowers. 6 branches of the tree had flowers, because 6 number 6 is more than 1, so branches is correct. Fill in the blanks here, not 6 branch, 6 branches. Third, fill in the blanks. There was 1 dash in the playground. 1, so it is ball. 1 ball. 2 balls, but here it is 1 ball. There was 1 ball in the playground. Fourth one, 9 dash were grazing in the field. Cows. Answer is cows, because 9 cows were grazing in the field. Fifth, fill in the blanks. Many dash were twinkling in the sky. Many stars were twinkling in the sky. One star, many stars. Sixth, fill in the blank. The team won 10 dash last year. 10 matches. If it is 1, then match. 1 match. But here 10. So 10 matches last year. The team won 10 matches last year. Seventh one. There was 1 dash in the fridge. 1 tomato. If it is 2, then it is tomatoes. Now here it is 1 tomato. There was 1 tomato in the fridge. Next page, 22nd page. V, main question. Add a word from the box to make a new word. See here the box. Here are options are here. We need to choose a correct option and we need to fill in the blanks. Strawberries. See here berries. So strawberries. One example is done for you or us. So we need to do the same. Second question or fill in the blanks or second word we may call here. Second word is tea dash. What it is? Teapot it is. P-O-T pot. This picture is or image is strawberries image. So strawberries. This is the clue. These pictures are the clue to fill in the blanks or choosing the word from the box. Third word, story. This is a image of a book, that is story book. Third one, story book. And you need to underline the book here in order to get next answers. We need not to repeat these answers. So after completion of strawberries, underline the berries here. After completion of teapot, pot here, underline the pot word here. And now we filled a book word, so we need to underline book here. 3 words are over. Fourth word is foot, and this is a image of ball, football. Underline the word ball, B-A-L-L, ball in the box, B-A-L-L, ball. Fifth, tooth. It is brush, image of brush, toothbrush. Underline the word brush here, B-R-U-S-H, brush. Here it is, brush. Sixth word, water dash. This is the image of watermelon, piece of watermelon it is. It's not in color, but we can guess that this is a piece of a watermelon, M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. Underline the word melon in the box, M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. 6 words we completed. And the 7th word is class dash. This is classroom image, R-O-O-M, room, classroom. 8th word, post. This is a postman's image. So postman, M-A-N, man, word, underline the word man in the box, postman, postman. 9th word, black, B-L-A-C-K, black. This is image of board, blackboard image it is. So blackboard. Underline the word board in the box, blackboard. 10th word is lamp. This is a lamp shade. shade, shade, lamp shade. 11th word sun dash. Here sun is rising, sunrise, RISE, rise, sunrise. Underline the word rise in the box. And the last one, 12th one, butter dash. This is a image of butterfly, write FLY here, butterfly. There ends the main question V. And the last main question W. Fill in each blank with the noun which is different from the rest in the groups. See, first group, tree, lion, bush, shrub. Here lion is a different word, different noun compared to the other nouns in this group. Lion is a different noun. See, tree, bush, shrub, they are of one kind, they are plants kind. Lion is a animal. So lion is the different word, noun, different noun. So they have written lion here. Like that we need to do the rest of the following. Second group, dahlia, lily, jasmine, shop. Shop is any shop it may be, but it is shop. Dahlia, name of a flower, lily, name of a flower, jasmine, name of a flower. So these three are one group and shop is another noun. So write shop here. Third group, cheese, salt, cream, milk. See, in this group word salt is different because cheese, cream, milk, they are products of milk, sub products or main products. Milk products are these. Cream can get by milk and cheese will be we can get cheese by the milk, but salt we can't get salt by milk. So third one answer is salt. Fourth word group, sun, star, moon, bed. See here in this group bed word is different from the other nouns here because sun, star, moon, they are in the sky. Celestial bodies, we call them as celestial bodies. Fifth group is tomato, candle, potato, onion. See, candle word or noun. Candle noun is a different noun from this group. The other nouns are tomato, potato, onion. They are vegetables category. So we need to write candle word. Different noun is candle here. Sixth word group, sheet, blanket, door, pillow. In this group, door is a different noun to that of the rest of the nouns here. Sheet, blanket, pillow, we use them for sleeping. While sleeping we use these materials, while a door is a different one. So door is a different noun from that of the other nouns here. And one more new word here is dahlia. The meaning of dahlia is a dahlia is a garden flower with a lot of brightly colored petals. This is a dahlia flower, it is garden flower lot of brightly colored petals it has, that is dahlia. This is dahlia flower. So here ends the nouns chapter. Next chapter is verbs, but I will end here. Here ends the nouns lesson, and you need to write, you fill in the blanks, these 7 fill in the blanks in your homework. 7 fill in the blanks, write these 7 fill in the blanks in your homework. First write it in your textbook, then you write these fill in the blanks in a homework and take a photo and send it to my WhatsApp number. Children, take care of yourself, stay safe, be happy. Dhanyavad.